Hey everyone, welcome back to Jahirul Islam. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for any business or content creator in today's digital age: digital marketing. If you want to know how to effectively reach your audience online, stick around. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more great content. Let's get started. Intro music fades out. Section 1. What is digital marketing? So, what exactly is digital marketing? In simple terms, digital marketing refers to all marketing efforts that use an electronic device or the internet. Businesses leverage digital channels such as search engines, social media, email, and websites to connect with current and prospective customers. Unlike traditional marketing methods like TV, radio, and print ads, digital marketing allows you to reach a global audience in a cost-effective, measurable way. Plus, you can engage with your audience in real time, which is a game changer. Section 2. Key components of digital marketing. Let's break down the key components of digital marketing. First up, we have search engine optimization, or SEO. This is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, which can lead to more organic traffic. Next, we have content marketing. This involves creating and distributing valuable, relevant content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. The goal here is to drive profitable customer action. Then there's social media marketing. This means using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more to promote your product or service. It's all about engaging with your audience and building a community. Pay-per-click advertising is another crucial component. This is a model of internet marketing in which advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. Essentially, it's a way of buying visits to your site. Email marketing is also key. It involves sending emails to your audience to promote your content, products, or services, as well as to build relationships with potential and existing customers. Lastly, there's affiliate marketing. This is a performance-based marketing strategy where a business rewards affiliates for each customer brought by the affiliate's marketing efforts.